Stop scrolling if you want irresistibly soft, hydrated lips, because we're unlocking the secret to DIY natural lip balms that truly nourish. Begin with a base of 2 tablespoons of beeswax pellets, known for locking in moisture and providing a smooth, protective texture. Gently melt the beeswax together with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of shea butter in a double boiler, stirring continuously until fully combined and silky. Remove from heat, then add a tiny pinch of beetroot powder if you want a subtle tint, or skip it for a clear, classic balm. Next, incorporate 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, peppermint for a refreshing, cooling tingle, or vanilla for a warm, sweet aroma. Mix thoroughly, then carefully pour the liquid mixture into small, sanitized containers or empty lip balm tubes. Allow them to cool and solidify at room temperature. In just minutes, you've created a lip balm free from synthetic chemicals, perfectly tailored to your preferences. Use daily to enjoy lips that feel soft, hydrated, and healthy all year round. Your lips have never felt this good. Trust us, you'll be hooked.